Alrighty, Ken, here's one of four of your 632s we're doing for you. Just got done down on it. Everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the AFR silver heads on it. It's got the Scorpion roller rockers, Holley carburetor, custom J&E pistons. It's a hydraulic roller camshaft. We have that custom ground. It's got the Stefs marine oil pan on it. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 2,500, 635 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 807, peaks horsepower 784. We rated for 780. Kind of did some camshaft stuff there for you to make it idle a little better. So obviously it kind of took a little bottom end away from it and stuff. So get her off there, get her in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.